Okay, we left off. I was about to show you the tools, but I do need to share my entire screen so that you can see what I'm clicking on as well. And that should be pretty easy to do. Entire screen should work. Okay. All right. So now that you can see that, let me go back to the program. Here it is where, at the top you can see view source typed in. That lets me see the program itself instead of the output. If I get rid of view source and run it again, I see the output, which is hello world. And now it's showing the console, but let me remind you how I found that. I go to the menu, I look under more tools, and then developer tools, and that turned it off. More tools, developer tools turns it on, and now I can see the console. And this little hello world in the console is the result of the command console.log in the program. So back to the address bar, type in view source again to see it. And of course, you should try to do all this, duplicate all this on your computer to get started. Copy my program, and I will write a new small program by opening up an untitled document in Google Docs. But you could use anything else as long as you're able to save it as text. And there's a lot of text editors available on various places in Notes and Microsoft Word. So I'm going to paste that little program that we have there, which is actually the website, as we noted last time, has HTML at the top, has the document.write hello world and console.log hello world. Now, in order to change it, let me change the output a little bit. I'll just inside of those single quotes, I'll put high class instead, and on the console, I'll put high class console just to see that it comes out differently. Now, to save it though from Google Docs, I have to go and under File, download it, but I need to download it as a .text. Now, that doesn't give me a title to it yet, so I'll open it in my file folder, and I will rename it test case. Now, I will not rename it .text. I'll rename it .htm. That stands for hypertext markup, and it's the same as HTML, but all you need is .htm. It asks me if I want to keep that. I will. And now it is ready to open in a browser. So of course this computer opens HTML files automatically in Chrome, but if you have it opening in Microsoft Edge or something else, or Safari, that would work too. When I double click on it, it opens it in the browser and immediately outputs high class to the screen. If I look at the view source there, it's interesting to look at what it looks like. Oops. View source with a dash and a colon at the end. Now, instead of showing a URL, link or an address on the server where I had the original program, it's on my computer. It says file, colon, dash, 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 user, SF34, just happens in downloads, happens to be where I have that file saved. But everything works the same as if it was on a server, which is just a file system that is open to people coming in over the internet. So again, you can look at the whole program there. though. Everybody should make sure that you can do that on your own computer. I'll go ahead and open the console one more time. More tools, developer tools, console, and it doesn't like that. Interesting. Everything else worked, but it doesn't seem to want to output my uh, high class console there. Oddly, that's right. I forgot. If you want to see the output, of course, you can't be looking at the view source. You have to go back to the actual file, and now it works fine. That's the case. Yeah, good. The view source is excellent for seeing the actual text of the web page and JavaScript script, and but you have to get rid of it if you want to actually have it run, which gives you the two outputs. Next, more outputs, and of course we'll then have lots of interesting programming that can go in that same place. But good start.